My name's Charlie. I'm chairman of Hessle Sporting Club, quite a large youth football club in the East Riding of Yorkshire.
I'm Sue, his wife. I'm the brains.
Our life's been revolved really around Hessle Sporting Club. We've got lots of kids in this club that have gone on to professional clubs. That's really what gives you that, I suppose, a bit of a spark.
It's a fabulous club to be at. It's open to everybody, all ages, everybody's welcome. I think it's the people more than anything.
There's the opportunity to come here and be coached. It just covers every part of the community. And then obviously you've then got your walking football.
Walking football, you eliminate all of that sort of fear that you have when you're playing football at an older age. There's no tackling from behind and there's no serious slide tackles.
So we started it off with, there's only about 6 of us, and then from then the rest history. We've just built up now, we have over 40 odd members.
Every week we get somebody new.
We don't turn anybody away.
I'm 70 and it just keeps me fit. I love it on a Monday morning.
It also benefits quite a lot with the mental health as well. We get people that come here that we know full well, if we didn't run this, would maybe struggle.
Everybody wants to feel part of something.
And because of the camaraderie, you can't quantify the benefits of coming to a club like this.
It creates a family and it's all based around these pitches here.
What makes it special is to say the people who run it, Charlie and Sue, I mean the effort they've put in, they've been going for decades.
It's him and Sue that are the lifeblood of this club, really.
We've been lucky enough to get the new kitchen. As soon as they walk in here, you can hear them say, oh, they've got teas, coffees, we can get a sandwich here, we can get a bacon and that. So it keeps us pretty busy really, doesn't it?
They don't get paid for it. They do it completely for the love of it. Without them, this wouldn't be here. To have a big heart like that, it's priceless.